You know those subscribe buttons embedded right in some YouTube videos? That one right there. How does it get there? I'll show you, coming right up. It's important to give our viewers as many ways as possible to subscribe to our YouTube channel, especially if you're just starting out like I am. So, how do we embed that little YouTube subscribe button right inside the videos that we create? It's not as difficult as you might think. Let's have a look. This is my YouTube channel homepage, and I'm going to go to YouTube Studio. When this comes up on the left-hand side, there's a menu where near the bottom I'm going to click on Customization. And in this section I'm going to click on Branding. And at the bottom there's an option here to upload a video watermark. This is where that subscribe button goes. So I've got one I created I'm going to upload. You can find one online, just make sure it's royalty free so you don't run into copyright issues. And make sure that the dimensions are square. YouTube recommends 150 by 150. This particular one I've created is 640 by 640. It really doesn't matter as long as it's a square image. So I'm going to open that, and now there's an option to crop it if I need to, but because I've made it in the correct dimensions to start with, I don't need to do that. I can click Done. And now I have a choice as to when in my videos I want this subscribe button to appear. I can have it come up at the end of the video, although usually I use end cards, and so there's a subscribe option built into those. I don't need to have this on the screen as well. And actually the two don't interfere with each other, and that's important to know. I can have it run the length of the entire video, starting from 0 to whatever the end is, or I can have a custom start time. And this is one I like. I've got it starting 5 seconds in, which you probably noticed at the start of this video. So I'm going to leave it at 5 seconds. It works pretty well for most of my videos. And now I'm going to click Publish. And what will happen next is when I go to my channel, all of the videos will now show this subscribe button in the bottom corner of the screen. So let's go have a look at my channel. And the main intro video, 5 seconds in, and there it is, subscribe. And when I hover over it, you can see that the option appears right away. And that's how it's done. I hope this has been helpful. If you like the video, I invite you to give it a like. That helps with the YouTube algorithm. And I invite you to subscribe, of course. I'll have much more on video for business coming up very soon. All the best.